Hi, it's Gary, Golden Castle Caravans. I'm going to show you how to use your Truma heating hot water control panel. It is super easy. I'll run through it with you if I may. Push the button, the screen's on. Below the black line you've got 4 icons. Icon 1 is your heating, turn the wheel. Icon 2 is hot water, turn the wheel. Energy, gas, electric or combination of the two, and your fan. I'm going to choose icon 1, which is your heating, and I'm going to push the button to select that icon, turn the wheel. I'm going to choose 18 degrees, for example. I'm going to push the button to confirm my selection. Above the black line, you will see a flame. It's heating from a flame, denoting we've got heating on. Turn the wheel. Icon 2 is hot water. Push the button to select the icon. I'm going to turn the hot water system on. I can choose Eco, Hot and Boost. I'm going to choose Hot. Push the button to confirm your selection. We've now got to choose energy, gas, electric or combination of the two. I'm going to turn the wheel from icon 2 to icon 3. There's energy. Push the button to select. I'm going to choose electric. EL1 is electric 1, but I'm going to choose EL2 is electric 2 kilowatts. Push the button to confirm. I've now got heating hot water on electric. Icon 4 is fan, turn the wheel, fan icon, push the button to select. Turn the wheel, I can have it on eco or high. I'm going to push the button to confirm. So icon 4 was fan, turn the wheel, timer, so you can have the heating come on and go off between different times. In order to set the timer, you will need to adjust the clock or set time. Push the button to select time, choose your time, wherever that time might be. Bottom right, spanner symbol, push the button to select. What's useful in this icon is brightness. Push the button to select, and you can alter the brightness of the screen. Push the back button, that'll take me back a page, and again, and that'll take me to the home page. The home page is currently telling me I've got heating on, hot water on, I'm using electric, I've got the fan on, 24-hour clock, I've got mains on, and also temperature in degrees C. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you want to come and see us operate that in person, just give us a shout. We'd be delighted to go through with you. Thanks very much.